and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do this holiday look that I decided I'm going to wear for my Christmas dinner at my parents' and with my family. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you guys have a great Christmas, and let's get into this video. So this is going to be a very chilled, get ready with me Christmas dinner type of video. Today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. So I am getting ready to go to my parents' house, and we're having Christmas dinner there. Tons of family are coming over, so that's gonna be fun. Right now it is 12:30. I'm running a little late. I told my mom at first I'd be at her house at 12, and she lives a good half an hour away. But I didn't get out of the shower until 12, and I just I've been procrastinating. As my moisturizer, I am using my go-to fave, the Coco Cabana moisturizer. So I don't know what I want to do for my makeup. I don't know what I want to do, but I do know that I want to use this lipstick. Every time I wear this dress, I like wearing this lipstick because it just brings out, you know, the flowers and stuff. So I don't know exactly what I want to do with my makeup, but I know I want to wear this lipstick. I hope everyone has a good Christmas, because this won't be put up until hopefully the Sunday, this coming Sunday. But I hope everyone has a good Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to put up a video the Sunday after New Year's. I don't know. I might, because I do. My next video after this one, I do want to do a get ready with us. Me and my bestie for New Year's Eve. Well, that should be fun, getting ready in a hotel room together. Hopefully we'll be already pre-gaming, and it'd be a fun type of video to post. I don't know if I'm going to be like hungover to do that video or to edit, because I'm busy at work, so I would only be able to edit New Year's Day because I'm off. So we'll see. It might get put up late. I don't know. I might surprise myself and actually put it up on time. I don't know. If I don't mention all the products, I will list them below like I normally do. But I'm going in with the stuff I always go in with. The Fenty Pro Filter all over the face, and then I'm using the Tarte Poreless. I haven't decided if I wanted to wear foundation, but I think I do. I don't mind this nail. I broke it at work. I also forgot to call my nail appointment in, so hopefully they will take us tomorrow. Sorry, Michelle, I forgot to call it. What does everybody do for Christmas? Our normal Christmas routine is we go over to my parents' house for dinner. So that's what we're doing. And this year, because last year I think it was just, I believe it was just my aunt, my uncle, and my grandparents that came over. But this time it's going to be my aunt, my uncle, my grandparents, my cousin, his girlfriend, their kids, my other aunt, my brother, maybe his girlfriend, me, my sister, maybe her boyfriend. Yeah. So it's going to be a full house. I'm doing the color corrector that I normally do, the Urban Decay. I think it's in Deep Peach. Yeah. And I'm just coloring my dark spots because a bitch can't have that today. Not today. So foundation, I'm going in with the Revlon Candid, Photo Candid or something like that. Photo Ready Candid foundation. I'll try to do a little bit at a time. Yeah, I like this foundation. It's really nice. So yeah, what is your Christmas traditions? Now, I said this on my last video, I believe, or my holiday look video. Let you check that out. That me and my siblings do not exchange gifts anymore because we feel that we're up in age and we'd rather just hang out and have dinner together and enjoy family time. None of us have small kids, so I mean, we don't need gifts, you know? But my mom, you know, I'd probably understand if I had kids too. is just a mom, and she gets us gifts every year no matter our ages. 38, 32, and 29. But, you know, it's okay. She's a mama, so if she wants to get us gifts, she can. But like I said, she gives us practical gifts, and I mean, all her gifts are practical, but it's gifts that you normally, like, I normally wouldn't want to buy on my own, like house stuff, and then she buys them, and I'm like, thank you. Usually it's after dinner, I think we exchange gifts, or just when everyone gets there. Yeah. So I'm excited to see what she got. And my mom's also the type that she'll get stuff this year. Like, she'll get stuff right after Christmas because they go on sale, and she'll keep them for a whole year to give to us for Christmas. So I'm adding extra layer because I want my skin to be flawless. Well, that was great. I literally just knocked everything over. Okay, cool. I don't even know what I was talking about. I literally just knocked everything over. I'm going with the Colourpop. We're down here. What are you guys' New Year's plans? I am curious what they are. Me and Michelle are going to Gaithersburg, which is like maybe a half an hour, 40 minutes away from us, and Maryland, and we are going out to dinner in the Rio, and then we're going to watch a band. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate. We're going to watch a band called Vinyl Rhino. My friend said they do like cover songs, which is pretty cool, like cover rock songs, like Journey and stuff like that, which I'm okay with. Hopefully our one friend from work, Eddie, is coming with us with his friends, and I'm excited for it. I'm really excited. Like I said, we're doing that get ready with me, so I'm excited. I hope everything turns out well. I'm gonna have us answer questions or something. I don't know if we should just randomly talk or if we should just answer questions. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour kit, actually, and I'm gonna take the smaller brush that I got on my BoxyCharm. I'm gonna probably mix these two colors. That one looks a little too dark, so I'm gonna mix these two colors. I haven't cream contoured in a long time, so this is either gonna turn out really well or really bad. I'm looking a little shiny, can you guys tell? I need to set my face. So I'm going in with the CoverGirl Queen's bronzer. And I am just going to set where I put that cream bronzer at. I'm going to take the Fenty Pro Filter Powder and Cashew, and we're going to set under my eye before it creases. Now, I sometimes bring it up because I don't want my eyelids to crease as well. Some people use eye primers. I do not. I prefer concealers. See how I'm looking less shiny now? Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I'm going in with another powder. People ask, like, why do you set your face? You're dry. Because, bitch, I like a matte finish. I do not like to have oily skin. I like a matte finish, so I will set my face so I can achieve that. Okay, Karen? So hopefully the lighting's a little bit better because it was kind of fluctuating because the sun, there's not really much of a sun outside, so I'm using artificial lights, and it's just Bear with me. I'm going in with the MAC blush and Wrapped Candy. This is such a pretty blush. For highlighter, lately I've been using the Maybelline Master Chrome and Molten Gold, I think. Yeah. Okay, first of all, there we go. Such a beautiful highlighter. My makeup desk is such a mess. I'm gonna set my face right now. So for eyeshadow, I still don't know what I want to do, but I think I'm going to keep it simple because, again, I want to focus on my face and my lips. So I'm subscribed to Live Glam, right? I've told you about the lipsticks that they have. They also have one called Shadow Me instead of Kiss Me, which is the lipsticks. Shadow Me is eyeshadow, and you get it every 2 months. So this last one that I got in, you better swatch out, and this palette is freaking gorgeous. Look at this. I've been using this dark brown chestnut shade. Okay, so I'm going to go in with like a small tapered brush like this with that dark chestnut color. And I'm just going to smoke out my corner here. You can always add more color if you need to, but you don't have to. I'm gonna add, I didn't even pick up any more color, and I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line. So I'm sitting here looking at myself and I'm like, why do I look funny? It's because I don't have my eyebrows on. So I'm gonna go in with the True Glam Brow Makeup Kit by Browbar. And I've been using this little brush because, fuck, it's good. First of all, it's good. Taking this darker shade in the middle, sorry for the reflection. It's a powder, and I've been taking it and I've just been kind of filling in my eyebrows. And I go and fill in. Kind of do brush strokes up because that's the flow of my hair. I don't know, I kind of been liking it a little bit. I'm just testing it out because, again, when I got this in my BoxyCharm, I was like, I really don't like that. Like, I don't use powder, but I've been testing it out and I'm not mad at it. I'm going to do, since it's running a little late, I'm going to do this other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and finished the eyebrow. I did my lashes and my mascara off camera because I am running hella late. Very late. Start doing my lipstick. Ooh, look how pretty that is. It's pretty. So I gotta redo my hair. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Kind of had a little issue with my lashes, but what's new? I always have issues with my lashes. There's still the magnetic ones, which I hopefully will find the link and post them down below. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I hate that I'm rushing because, again, I should be at my parents' house in 10 minutes and I'm a good half an hour away. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.